I did. I got this one. I got that one. I'm gonna say that the grandma gave me that. It's my family. If people ask, what am I doing? I'm just bring my fridge in. But this today. Hey guys. Hey. We're doing my fridge prank. Been wanting to do this for a while. I have the Batman logo, Batman sign right here. Batman. But yeah, we're gonna take this. I'm tired of going to the grocery store and taking my groceries out of my car, taking them out of my car and putting them in my fridge, so might as well just cut the middleman out. I'm gonna bring my refrigerator to Walmart and shop with it. Come on. Autobots, fall out. Let's go. Ow, fuck. There we go. I needed someone to shut that one. Ow, shut it. Let's go. Ow, fuck. All right. Let's get this shit done.
Did you bring the sweatshirt?
Fuck!
What sweatshirt?
I just need a sweatshirt so she can hide the camera. But it's in the. I don't want to.
There's a door on the side.
Is it? Whoa! There he is, guys. Whoa! Hurry the fuck up! Go, go, go! What are you doing? You know I do the editing, right? I'll give a shout out to you guys. This is Mallory, the camera person right now. Mallory's right there, yep. And that's Lizzie. She's helping me out. These girls have helped me out with the last prank, the microwave prank as well, which I will give them pranks on. I will give them credit on.
Every morning this long back pain.
Dang! How far are we? Are we close? We're in. I need to get some groceries. I'm just gonna squeeze right by, guys. One's in front, take it. Oh, bye. The fridge. Oh, yeah, and I was just wondering, did you want any food or anything? Did you want any steak? I got some sirloin that we can get at Walmart. Well, yeah, eventually. This goes in the garage. This one goes in the garage. Yeah, I got another one at home. That one's a lot better shape than this one. But yeah. Nah, no. No, nah. Nope. Thank you so much. I got the receipt. Perfect. I don't want to hit anyone. My car and taking them out and putting them in. I just wanted to cut the middleman out. I just wanted to bring my refrigerator.
Now I want to make a picture.
You want a picture with it? You got okay, good. Let's take a picture. Garage and stuff, but yeah, she runs pretty good, thank goodness. But yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, so what's the benefit?
What's the benefits? I don't have to put it in my car. I don't have to. I'm cutting the middleman out. Might as well just put them in already in the fridge. Might as well just put it in the fridge already. Yeah. Right now we just have a cargo van. I used to have a truck, and then my truck blew up. So I wanted to get some groceries and stuff, and I just moved back here. Yeah. What's up? You'll never forget this. Yeah. Woo, that was fun. for your food? I was just wondering. I have the fridge out. Yeah, I'm at the Walmart right now. Peach water. Can you Venmo me? Got it. Perfect. I'll go that way. Of course. All right. Bye-bye. Bye. Stupid. There. I've never been to this Walmart. I know I need cold brew, the original. That's disgusting. Peach water, can you Venmo me? Got it. Sorry, bud. It's all there. I didn't get anything in the fridge. Awesome. Thank you so much. You have a good day. These people are just staring more.